Hi. Today we will learn the phrasal verb gas something. Gas something means to fill something with gas or fuel. It can also mean to encourage someone. For example, you can gas your car before a trip. You can also gas up your team to boost their confidence. This phrasal verb is separable. You can say gas the car or gas up the car. Both are correct. Gas is mostly informal when meaning to encourage. Use it with objects like car, heater, or team. Here are some examples. I need to gas the lawnmower. She gassed up the bus quickly. The coach gassed the players before the game. Be careful with word order. Say gas up the car, not gas the up car. Try to use gas something in your daily English. It will help you sound more natural. Thanks for watching. See you next time.